Here's how to add donation button to your YouTube channel. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss any important steps. For this, first of all, you need to open your Chrome browser. After that, you need to open your YouTube website. Once it is open, then click on your channel's profile at the top right corner. Then after that, click on your channel. Once it is open, then click on customize channel. Now here click on basic info. After that, scroll down and click on add link. Then here you need to enter your title. After entering it, here you will need to enter the URL of your donation button. So for this, you need to open a new tab and here type for PayPal donate button. You can search for your payment service through which you want to receive your donations. Here open this first website. After opening it, here you will need to log into your account and then copy the link of your donation button from here. Once you have copied your link, then go back to your channel. After that, here paste the URL of your donation button and then click on publish. And then your donation button will be added to your YouTube channel. So this was how to add donation button to your YouTube channel.